Hey, what's the time now?
Hey, it's 10:30.
What time should we be here?
I should come here by 9:30.
Why? You could have had your meals and then come here.
Yeah, I'll do that from tomorrow.
You will
Yeah,
do that, I'm
ladies,
sure.
come here. Come.
Listen.
Yeah, what do you want?
Give me some medicine as soon as possible.
Huh?
My hands are paining, my legs are paining. I have a headache. I cannot sleep. Can you give me some sleeping pills? I can sleep at
Yeah, I'll
night.
give you. Yeah, have this. You will sleep forever.
Blessing my child for
Yeah,
giving me the
thank you.
medicine.
No. Hey, he's trying to kill you.
Oh my God.
Yeah, tell me. What do you want?
I want.
Yeah.
That mean. What I.
Tell me.
What I mean.
Okay. I got it.
Hello. Dear. Yeah.
Yeah, have this.
Yeah, I'm on the way.
Yeah, what do you want?
Today. I don't think it's possible, dear.
Hello, have you done talking? Give me 100 rupees.
Yeah, tell me, dear.
Brother, I'll just come in 1 minute.
You just came now.
Hey, it is coming, man.
I don't know what is wrong with you. Okay, come quick. Don't be late. Okay, boss, have the key.
And tomorrow try to come early, man.
Sure, boss.
Yeah.
You told me that you'll be giving my salary today.
Yeah, you will never forget to ask these things, nah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Boss, 5,000? My salary is 6,000.
That is for the guy who comes early in the morning and opens the shop. For him, not you. Whenever you have opened the shop late, I've deducted 100 rupees. At least now you should try and open the shop at the right time. Otherwise, you'll lose the entire money, man.
Boss.
What is your problem, man?
You told you will give salary.
Have it. What are you counting, man? Are you wondering why I didn't deduct your salary? If I deduct your salary, what will happen, you know? You'll simply faint and fall down. Keep one thing in mind. Be careful and try opening the shop in the morning itself.
Okay,
and
boss.
if you don't come on time, your salary
my
will be
God.
deducted.
I will take
so
a
come
bus.
and
Please,
open the
please.
shop in the morning itself.
Sure.
Good night, boss.
Hey, buddy. Out of 6,000, if he deducts 1,000 rupees, then how can I run my family?
Yes, you are right, brother. You have a family. And he gives salary only by 15th of the month. I know.
Even a small-time key shop owner will definitely earn more than me, buddy. I'm really upset about my life.
Hey, listen. Why can't you open the shop at the right time? What is your problem with
You're
that?
not married, so you don't know. Morning, I have to wake up my children. I have to take them to the toilet. I have to bath them, make them eat, dress them up, and then take them to the school. I have lot of work, buddy. You are a single person.
Hey, why are you saying that? He gives only 4,000 and that's not enough for me. It's been 6 months since I came here.
For you, it's only 6 months. I am facing difficulty for a long time, you know. This job is good for nothing for me.
Yeah, what was your salary then?
5,000.
You are getting that only now.
I was telling you my story. Can't you hear it properly in the night?
Brother.
Yes, dear. What? Is it night show? No way, it's not possible. Please try to understand, dear. Okay, we'll go. When you're going to
Hello.
come?
100 rupees. Hey, I have to go now.
Just came now.
That girl stays alone. Nobody is there. And no neighbors also.
Which area is she staying?
Hey, near that canal. Remember that drainage system? There only.
That bad smell is coming till our place, you know.
It's not the bad smell of that. This is your sambar. It was cooked 3 days before.
What are you doing?
Please, I cannot control myself.
You're telling the same thing every day.
Oh, my sweet.
Go. Hey, no. Brother, I want to see. Go away. What a scene, what a scene, what a scene.
Buddy, since my wife ran away from me, I have never seen such a scene for a long time in my life, buddy.
What, your wife ran away?
Yes, buddy.
Did she write any letter for you?
She's not written anything.
Didn't she get time to write a letter also?
Buddy, I myself am not worried since my wife left and ran away from me. Why are you so worried about that? Just see that. See how the boy and girl are enjoying their life. Buddy, there is no meaning for our birth itself, buddy.
Why are you joining me also in your team? My life is going well only. Hey, come on. You don't need all this in your age.
It's over, buddy.
It's over long time back. He is ready for next one.
You look so beautiful
You're
today.
naughty.
Give it. Brother, you go there. I'll go here.
Okay.
Yeah. Powder tin, huh? Brother,
What?
shall I take this table fan?
Don't take any big items. Just take small items which will go inside our bag, okay?
Okay, brother. Brother,
Oh, what do you want?
there is cash.
Cash. Just see how much is it?
5,000 rupees. Brother, our monthly salary, she got in one day.
For that, we should have born as a girl, buddy. Don't take it, just keep it there itself.
Why, brother?
Buddy, if small things are lost, they will not give any police complaint. But if money is lost, then immediately they will give a complaint. Don't take it, just keep it from where you have taken. Okay?
Okay.
Do one thing. Just take the small bell. That will be really helpful for us. That can be sold for at least 70 rupees. Old silk sarees, silk dhotis and silk cloth. Even if it is stone, it is not problem. We will take it for a good rate. So sisters, please do come. You're all welcome. You will not get this opportunity again. This is a great deal, you know. Old silk sarees and dhotis. Old silk sarees. Old silk dhotis.
Hey, condom.
Hey, don't take the entire box. Boss will give a police
Hey,
complaint.
what will he complain about? Condom got missing. Don't worry about it.
A big discount for condoms during monsoon season.
Big sale. Yeah, tell me. There is a new girl in your house. Who is that?
She's my relative of mine. Now, why are you asking?
Nothing. I saw her yesterday. That's why I asked.
She doesn't belong to this town. She's from a void family. If a family ever gets to know the essential body parts on your body will missing, so be careful.
I simply asked, what am I going to do?